So this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Escape in an SE trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you do have a 12-volt power outlet there, and underneath this hatch you have your spare tire with compartments around for any other necessary equipment or tools. And then looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, and a 12-volt down here. You also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This vehicle does also have a dealer-installed remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power-adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 51,285 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with stuff such as digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy for said trip, distance to empty, trip timer. And then you can move on to your information such as system checks, auto start stop status, driver alert, and four-wheel drive status, my key, and system checks again, which I was already on. And then you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And then moving away, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, stereo, CD, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around the vehicle. Believe me, the screen is not flickering this much, that is just the video recording. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And moving down from that, you have your media controls and your hazards, and then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats, so you can stay comfortable in the colder months. Then you have your auto start stop status, your traction control shut off, and you have a USB and 12-volt power outlet down here, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, cubby, two cup holders, another cubby here, and then your two-tiered center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious and has another USB inside. And then finally, looking up, you have a panoramic moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.